let's start. We'll use the same problem with our midterm exam. Problem 4. It's Tabanyan. Okay, so in a different video, I will show you first the problems. Okay, it's under the LSR company. Okay, so in the problem we have a given trial balance which ends at December 31st 2020. Okay, so in our midterm exam we were asked to prepare the income statement, statement of financial position, and statement of changes in owner's equity, plus the notes to financial statements. Then additionally, on the second part, we were asked to journalize the transactions of 2021. So 2021 is the following year after the trial balance. Okay, so first, so our beginning balances will be from the trial balance, which ends at December 30, 2020. Okay, so first, to journalize the 2021 transactions, okay, let's start with the date, particulars, debit and the credit. Okay, let's just assume this is a journal book. The journal book will be only until here. The journal book has only two columns for the money. Okay, the debit and the credit side. Okay, so assume the paper is only until here, the book. Okay, so the first transaction is LSR company sold several paintings worth 9,000 on credit to customer Y. Okay, so let's assume the transaction happened in January 31st. Okay, the date column, we have a line here, the blue. This one is the month, and then this one is the day. Okay, we don't need to put the year because each journal book is supposed to be for 1 year. So this is, okay, let's just assume this is 2021 book. Okay, 2021 book. Okay, so it says sold several paintings. So painting, our business here is painting. We offer painting services. From the trial balance itself, we can see that our only source of revenue is the painting revenue. Okay, so and it says on credit meaning giutang. Okay, so we have a receivable, so we did not receive any cash, we receive accounts receivable. Okay, we receive a promise to pay. Okay, spelling receivable. Okay, then what would we give out? Okay, give out painting revenue. Okay, in the amount of 9,000. Okay, so okay, so we have a debit and a credit. Okay, so the credit side should be indented, it should have a space. Okay, and the next following entries, it should be in line with this also. The credit side should be in line. Okay, then the money column, the red line, this red line signifies the comma. Okay, another comma, and then this one is the decimal point. Okay, so we don't need to write a comma, We don't need to write the decimal point. We also don't need to write the 00. Okay, just write a dash, okay, on the 00 on the centavo side. Okay, so this is 9,000. If we put amount here, this is million already. So if we put 1, it's 1 million. Okay, so next we have the debit account, the credit account. Then we need the explanation. Okay, the explanation is to record paintings sold on credit. Okay, so the explanation is also again indented. Okay, indented. It will not be in line with the debit account, the credit account. Is another indentation. Okay, so next, number 2, we have assume it to be dated February 28. Okay, February 28. LSR company collected the account due from previous year's customer amounting to 25,000. Okay, since this is not the first year anymore, because we have a trial balance from previous year, so we can know that it's not the first year of the company. Okay, so it says that it collected the accounts receivables. So collection. So what did we receive? We receive cash. Okay, kay collected man, so gibayaran ta. So we receive cash. What did we give out? We give out the accounts receivable. Kay gibayaran naman, so normal balance accounts receivable is debit, credit kung mo reduce ka. Okay, mo pagamayon. So mawa na to imong accounts receivable. So the amount is 25,000. So 25,000, yeah, 25,000 po sa credit. Okay, explanation to record collection of, pwede ka mo ingon o butangan mo previous year's receivable para klaro, of previous year's receivable. Okay, kaya di na mula pas dire ha, kaya ang libro tama na biya dire. So dapat ibutan na nimo dire ubos inline yapon dire sa imong explanation. Okay, understand? So mo na siya ang pag journal entries nimo. Okay, let's continue. The third transaction, we assume it on March 31st. Okay, LSR company delivered paintings worth 50,000 which they have collected in advance. Okay, ninyo siya nga nag-deliver sila og paintings. Deliver meaning nila nang gihatod. Yang giingon nga collected in advance. So gibayaran na day kuno to pag previous year 2020, di ba? 2021 naman taron. So gibayaran siya previous year pag 2020. So dapat na sa atong trial balance sa previous year. So unsa man na kung nibayad ang customer daan, so mahog nga kita mo'y utangan as a seller, kita mo'y utangan. So dapat na sa atong liability account. So unsa may na sa atong liability account dire, natay gibutang dire nga unearned painting revenue nga 250,000 unearned. So pasabot wa pa ni nato gi-recognize as revenue, kundi gi-recognize nato as a liability kay wa pa man na deliver nato, so di pa na nato matawag nga revenue. So ato pa ng utang. So maho nga ang entry adto nga time gi-debit nato ang cash unya gi-credit nato ang unearned painting revenue, okay, which is a liability account. Okay, so karon ang istorya is gi-deliver na nato ang paintings worth 50,000. So sa katong 250,000, 50,000 pay na deliver ato, so napay nabilin. So ang atong i-debit unsa may atong nadawat na nato tong silbi dili na unearned ang katong painting revenue, mahog nga ma-earn nato. So ato tong i-reduce ang unearned painting revenue. Okay, magamay-gamayan man to atong utang. So 50,000. Okay, so unsa may atong gihatag or unsa may atong gi-give out? Atong gi-give out maka-recognize na ta sa painting revenue. Ma-recognize na ta sa revenue. Okay? So sa pag last year wala pa toy revenue, although naka-receive na ta sa cash last year, pero karon pa ta mo record of revenue niya. Okay? So to record delivery of paintings which were previously paid in 2020. Ito na yan. Okay? Okay? Against the light. Okay, so that's the third transaction. Let's go to the fourth transaction, assumed to be April 30. Okay, the fourth transaction, the company purchased additional office equipment worth 8,000. So what did we receive? We received office equipment. So office equipment worth 8,000. Okay, so we purchase man. So unsa may atong give out taog cash, kay bayaran man nato, purchase man to or 8,000 yapon. Okay, to record purchase of office equipment. Okay, so next transaction is the company paid half of the bank loan. Okay, show it's May 31st. Half of the bank loan, so meaning ang atong give out is cash. Unsa may atong nadawat? Atong nadawat is reduction sa ato ang liability, atong bank loan. Unsa may account digamit nato diri sa atong bank loan. Okay, we base it on our trial balance. Our trial balance says we have a notes payable. Okay, dili siya accounts payable, kay accounts payable mo na in relation to our operations. So kung natin mga gipang palit para sa kuan, supplies, mangingana mo na diha sa accounts payable. Kung sa utilities payable po, so from the word utilities is para na sa power, light, and water. Okay, power, light, water, electric, kanang buhiko, ingana, atong water, wasko, ingana. So man ato mga utang. So ang notes payable, so mao na siya ang sa bank loan ato. So it's either we have loans payable or notes payable or whatever account. Okay, so notes payable ang gigamit. So unsa may atong nadawat na to is reduction sa atong notes payable. So atong gihatag cash kay gibayaran ato. Okay, in the amount of, ang storya sa problem is half of the bank loan. So mutan-aw to sa atong trial balance, pila may amount. Ang amount na sa atong trial balance sa notes payable is 200,000. So kay half ra may gibayaran, so pila may half sa 200? So 100. Okay, 100,000. Okay, then next is explanation. To record payment of bank loan. Okay, so next, transaction number 6, purchase additional art supplies worth 3,000 in 2021. Okay, so purchase additional supplies. So assume June 30. So unsa may atong nadawat? Receive art supplies. Tanaw na to unsa itong gigamit nga ba account title sa atong trial balance. So naatay art supplies nga account? Naa. Okay, so we receive art supplies. Okay, so what we give out, we purchase man, so we paid for it. Okay, so cash, give out cash. To record purchase of art supplies. Okay, ang amount is 3,000. Okay, transaction 7, record the depreciation expense for 2021. Okay, let's just assume, because we assume the date for this as December 31st. Okay, mao na yung ting recognize na to depreciation expense at the end of the year. So mo skip sa tana, mo go ta sa number 8. Number 8 is incurred utilities expense amounting to. Okay, so let's assume it's date August 31st. Okay, number 8 is August. Okay, incurred utilities expense for the year. So meaning incurred ka, nakagasto ka, nakayuse ka. Okay, nakayuse ka sa utilities the year 2021 amounting to 1,500. So mo recognize ta og expense nga utilities expense. Tanaw na to tong trial balance kung diha batay utilities expense na account o nata utilities expense. So unsa ato nadawat? Expense nga utilities. Ang paggamit nato sa utilities kay ni gamit man ta sa power, water, and so forth. Okay, amounting to 1,500. Okay, the problem says incurred. It did not say that we paid. So kung mingon ra gani siya incurred, pasabot ana walay payment na hitabo. So therefore, mahog nga nakagamit ta pero wa ta ni bayad pa. So mahog nga utangan ta og pagbayad sa utilities. So ang atong mag-recognize ta og payable. Utangan man ta, payable. So tanaw na to sa trial balance unsa man nga payable ang naata with regards to utilities. Okay, naatay giingon nga utilities payable. So madungagan ang atong utang nga utilities payable. Okay, so amount of 1,500. Okay, so this one is to record to, actually we don't use record, we can use recognize. To recognize utilities incurred for 2021, for the year there, for the year for the year 2021. Okay, sunod. Okay, klaro na ha, wala pa bayre kay ingon rag incurred, dili siya ingon nga paid. Okay, so mo recognize, usually mo recognize tag mga ano kay ingon siya for the year, usually it's at the end of the year. Okay, at the end of the year. Pero for the sake of this problem, kay nga to ang purpose ani is para lang mabutangan og date, lain-lain nga date dire. So man ang akong gibutang na siya og per month lang. Okay? So next, September 30. Okay, September 30. Number 9 Number 9 nga transaction. LSR company incurred salaries expense for the year 2021 amounting to 3,500. So, na-incurred ko ng salary expense. So, therefore, siya itong nadawat. Nawat taog salaries expense. Kinahanglan ta mo recognize so salaries expense kay nakadawat taog services gikan sa atong empleyado na dapat nato silduhan. Okay, nakadawat tag services. Okay. So, unsa man ni siya, ang giingon dire is incurred maghapon. So, wala pa bayare. So, therefore, mag-recognize ta og payable. So, tanaw na to sa atong trial balance previously, wala kay kanang salaries payable. Okay? So, karon pa ta mag-recognize og salaries payable. So, salaries payable for 3,500. Okay? So, this one is okay, wa man po ni bayari, so pwede ra po tamingon to recognize. To recognize salaries incurred for the year 2021. Okay. So, as I mentioned, kanang usual mahitabo ng mga incurred or kanang kuan is at the end of the year ni. Nganuman, kinahanglan nato i-recognize ang expenses at the year which it relates to. So, kung asa nahitabo ato jud na nato sila i-recognize. Kay kung may tabayaran nato ini 2022 na, pero expenses din na ni 2021, so dili to siya dili to sakto atong net income for that year. Kay wa man ta nag-recognize og expenses nga dapat expenses man ni 2020 2021, di man ni 2022. So dapat mo na mo recognize ta sa at the end of the year. Sa tanang expenses nga dapat kang 2021 bisan wa pa nato bayre, i-recognize na nato dire kay para ato nato didto madidak sa revenue sa 2020 at 2021 ang mga expenses nga related to 2021, related adto nga revenue. Okay, so mo na mag-recognize na at the end of the year. Okay, so next, October transaction number 10, October 31. The owner LSR withdrew 6,000 for his own personal use. Okay. Withdraw man ko no. So, kung temporary withdrawal ni siya, dili ni siya permanent withdrawal, adto na nato ibutang sa drawing account. So, tanaw na to ang trial balance na may capital account, LSR capital, na po LSR drawing. So, sa drawing account din nato ibutang. Kaya kung permanent withdrawal, adto na nato ibutang sa capital account. Pero kung kanang temporary lang, kanang nigamit lang siya kay gigamit siyang personal use, nga dili mo ingon nga ihang gi-withdraw yung investment ana nga business, kung siya ni state ana, ato ra na sa drawing account. Pero kung mayroon siya nga ni-withdraw siya half of his capital from the business, ato na nimo ibutang sa capital account, LSR, capital account. Okay, so unsa itong nadawat ang pag-recognize sa drawing nga ning gamit o kwarta ang owner para sa iyang personal use. Okay, cash to record withdrawal of LSR for tanan na to, cash withdrawal of LSR for personal use. Okay, amount is 6,000. Okay, so next, let's go back to section number 7. Section number 7, December 31st. Okay, record the depreciation expense for 2021, assuming the useful life of the asset is 5 years. Okay, so asa man ta magbase ani? Adto ta magbase sa pilay atong office equipment. Okay, kung mantayan ni mo sa last year, sa 2020, na siya equipment nga 50,000. Okay, 50,000. Okay, unya sa this year, kung answer, hindi mo. Okay, 50,000. So, ito, 50,000. Unya, this year, naman siya transportation equipment na siya duha ka equipment, transportation equipment o office equipment. Okay, unya naapod siya bagong napalit nga office equipment dere pag April 30. Okay, April 30. So ang total jud niya nga equipment is 350 plus the 350,000 plus 8,000. Okay, so ang buhaton na to ani is atong i-compute. Okay, sayop to akong answer dito. Skuan butin. Okay, so ang buhaton, okay, sa entry wise lang is, so ito na dawat depreciation expense mo ang paggamit sa equipment. Okay, then credit to a contra asset account. Kaya di man nato i-reduce ang, although na mahog nga i-reduce na to ang value sa equipment account, pero through a contra account, which is the accumulated depreciation. Pero di na to i-reduce ang kuan para nagyapon ta makibaw ta pilay value jud sa asset mismo. So di na to ibutang dito sa transportation equipment or sa office equipment, pero ninggamay ang value ato using this account, accumulated depreciation. Okay, so the amount kinahanglan pa nato i-compute. So as as explanation, to record depreciation expense for the year 2021. Okay, so ang computation nimo butang na nimo diri sa ubos. So ang ingon is assume that the life of the asset is 5 years. Okay? 5 years ko no. So ato na lang ning isa-isahon. So natay transportation equipment nga balance sa last year. Ito 300,000. Okay. Next is natay office equipment. Nga 50,000. So kani sila for the whole year 2021 nana ni sila nato, di ba? Kay naman ni sa 2020 nga trial balance. So tibuok tuig jud ni atong i-recognize nga depreciation nila. So 350,000 mahog nga mo ni i-divide og divide nato og 5 years. So pila man siya yearly? That's 70,000. Okay? 70,000 na siya karon. Okay? Kung ano siya total equipment as of 2020. Okay? Paniyahang useful life kani mo iyahang annual depreciation. Okay? 70,000. Pero kay napamantay office equipment dire nga 8,000 nga gipalit, so lahi po ni siya og computation. Okay? Ato lang ato lang botan dire sa kilid ha. Okay, pero dapat ana ubos. Okay. For the sake of the presentation. Okay. So ang isa ka office equipment worth 8,000. Okay, gipalit siya pag April 30. So pila man siya kabuan na sa company. So May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, December naman, and sa December. Okay, so 8 months. So 8 months siya. So kinaunhan, i-divide na to siya kung pila dyan yung annual depreciation. So same, useful life. Useful life niya, 5 years. I-divide niya mo. So 5 years. Kaog annual depreciation ni mong pilam na 8,000 divided by 5 years. Okay. 1,600. So ang annual depreciation niya is 1,600. Pero kay 8 months naman siya na sa company, so i-multiply na naman mo og 8 divided by 12. Okay, kay ang kanang 1,600 kay 12 months na. Okay, pero di man siya 12 months. So na siya ano ni? Na siya 66.67. Okay? So, i-add na nato ng duha. So, kani siya mo ay depreciation expense sa 2021. Okay? So, i-add nimo ang duha. Naranta ha 70,000 plus 1,667. So total of 71,667. Okay? So mo na imong total depreciation for the nakaw man din nakita. So for the year, so mo na siya. Okay, so 71,06667. 71,06667. Okay, kita ba? Okay, so that's the end for the journalizing part. Okay.